It is Tuesday morning, July 10th, 3:47 a.m., and I'm observing Comet HyperStar C 2017 S2. It is that turquoise bluish green object near the center of the field. I'm going to zoom out to full field. And I'm going to zoom in. It's 100% zoom right now with the comet near the center. I'm raising the white point. Morning, Rock.
Good morning.
This is Jack. I'm broadcasting. I got the comet in the field of view right now.
Oh, let me go check it out.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna be there. All right, I'll see you there.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Good morning, whoever you are. Maybe this is, let's see if you log in. Let me get my Epic pen up and running. Okay, text tool. Comet. C. Sweater. Yes, Rock, I am recording. Where's the Comet? The Comet is that little fuzz in the middle is the Comet. This is it's a DS10c, 8-inch HyperStar, and f2.1. The exposure right now is 5 seconds. Gain is at 8.78, so it's fairly low gain. The Comet's only 28 degrees up in the northeast right now. What else do I have set? Color balance. I did a color balance. I'm doing an average stack, I think. Am I? Let me see. Yeah, average. Oh no, I've additively stacking 4. Let me stop that. So now we'll go back to a single. So that's a single frame. Let me do an average stack of 5. And let me now go back to defaults on all the color adjustments. Let's see what happens. I might have to slightly increase the exposure. Let me increase the gain to about 15. Okay, now I'm looping. Okay. And let me turn off the color balance box. Might have to increase the exposure. This is low and it's faint. Supposedly it is magnitude, what did Sky Tools say? Sky Tools says it's magnitude 9, but it's 1.9 minutes of arc. It's very small. I just raised the black and I'm lowering the white to see what happens. Welcome back, Rock. Enabled. Yeah, I'm trying different settings. Comet is not very bright. No, I got up at 2:30. But I will be talking to you a little bit when I get back into the house. Um, I have a problem. My finder scope is not aligned with the 10 inch. I was going to try to find this in the 10 inch, and I couldn't find it with the 10 inch with the Universe Focal Reducer.
Telescope slewing to target.
Changing targets. Let's see if the. Okay.
Telescope slew complete.
That's the double cluster. Again, that's what, 5-second exposure, and the gain is 15. I'm gonna lower the gain a little bit. Gain 10. So I'm at 5 seconds, gain 10. Someone had sent me an email, and I was going to talk. I'll talk to you about it later, about how darks are now being taken with the software and how they affect the image. Right now, let's see. I have a dark. I'm going to turn the dark off. Let's see what happens. See, the dark did not really take out all the hot and warm pixels. So this is with the dark off. And I just click to enable the dark. This is the dark I took Sunday night. Oh well, I just wanted to catch the comet, and I'm going to close up for now. Unless, well, let's see, what else can we go to that's close by? Yeah, I have to do some work on aligning optical finders and whatever finders, because they're not hitting quite right.
Telescope slewing to target. Telescope slew complete.
5-second Andromeda, gain at 10. I've got the histogram way too black. Let me lower the. Okay. I'm doing an additive stack of 3 just to see what it does. That's an additive stack. I'm going to stop the additive stack. I'm going to change the exposure down to 3 seconds. And I'm going to additively stack 3. Let's see what happens. And again, this is gain 10. So that's a single 3-second exposure. That's 2 stacked additively. I'm going to have to lower the black again. I'm clipping. Okay. So this is an additive stack of 3 3-second exposures. Where do I have the parameters? Everything, the color adjustments are at default. Color balance. Do a white balance on the core of the galaxy, see what happens. Frame rate is low. Digital binning is off. Yeah, level 1. And I think I have HCG enabled. Conversion gain, HCG. But that's just 3 3-second exposures added. Not bad. Oh well, Rock, I'm going to sign off, and I just wanted to test this out, and I will be in the house. I'll probably call you in a little bit when I get my next cup of coffee. Talk to you in a little bit.